Welcome back, guys! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best hand mixers. As the saying goes, half the battle is having the right tool for the job. When the task is too tiny for a stand mixer, yet too difficult for a whisk, only an electric hand mixer will suffice. So make your baking process much more efficient and stress-free with these best hand mixers. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth hand mixer in our list is the VonShef 5-speed hand mixer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Get ready to whip up something yummy with the VonShef 5-speed hand mixer. This handy device may be used for a wide variety of tasks, from whisking eggs to kneading bread dough, thanks to its strong motor and several attachments. One of the standout features, though, is its 5 different speed settings, which give you plenty of options when it comes to adjusting the mixing power. Whether you're working with delicate ingredients or tougher dough, you can find the perfect speed for your needs. Aside from that, the mixer also comes with various attachments, including beaters, dough hooks, and a balloon whisk. This means that you can use it for a wide range of recipes without having to invest in multiple appliances. Another great thing about the VonShef 5-speed hand mixer is its compact size at 3 by 4.3 by 7.2 inches and lightweight design at 2.9 pounds. This makes it easy to store in a small kitchen, and it's also comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Overall, if you're looking for a simple and reliable hand mixer that won't break the bank, the VonShef 5-speed hand mixer is definitely worth considering. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design make it a great choice for both beginner and experienced bakers alike. While this hand mixer is a great value for the price, it may not be as durable or long-lasting as some higher-end models. If you plan on using your hand mixer frequently or for heavy-duty tasks, you may want to invest in a more expensive option that can handle more wear and tear. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for light mixing only, since the beaters are a bit thin. The fourth hand mixer in our list is the BLACK+DECKER 6-speed hand mixer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This hand mixer is a game changer for the next baking sesh. In terms of power, the mixer has a 250-watt motor, which is more than enough to handle any mixing task you throw at it. Its 6 different speed settings give you plenty of control over the mixing power, so you can achieve the perfect texture and consistency for your recipe. One of the best things about this kitchen gadget is its compact size. At 3.8 by 9 by 7.2 inches, it won't take up too much space in your kitchen, but it still packs a powerful punch when mixing ingredients. Out of the box, you'll get beaters and dough hooks, which means you can use the mixer for a wide range of recipes. Not only is this mixer powerful and versatile, it's also designed with your comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, and the lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods. Plus, with a built-in storage compartment for the attachments, you'll never have to worry about losing or misplacing them again. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 6-speed hand mixer is a fantastic kitchen tool that'll make your baking adventures easier and more enjoyable than ever before. Do take note, however, that this hand mixer doesn't have an ejector button, so you have to pull the beaters out with your hands. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for minimalist individuals because this mixer flaunts a clean and simple all-black look without unnecessary designs. The third hand mixer in our list is the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Say goodbye to the arm arches from hand mixing. The KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer is designed to handle all your baking needs and more. This little powerhouse is a perfect kitchen tool for anyone who wants the power and precision of a stand mixer in a more compact and portable package. Plus, with 9 different speed settings, you'll have complete control over your mixing. What our team likes best about the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer is its ease of use. The intuitive controls make it simple to adjust the speed as needed, while the soft start feature ensures that your ingredients won't end up all over your kitchen counter. An electronic sensor also automatically adjusts the power to maintain the highlight its attention to design details. The handle is comfortable and easy to grip, and the mixer is lightweight and well-balanced, so you won't have to worry about hand fatigue during those extended baking sessions. Its swivel cord makes it easy to use with either hand, and the compact size of 3.5 by 8 by 6 inches means you won't have to sacrifice valuable counter space to make room for it. So if you're looking for a hand mixer that's both powerful and user-friendly, look no further than the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer. Whether you're an experienced baker just starting out, This versatile gadget is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a storage case for the attachments, so you'll need to find a separate storage solution to keep everything organized. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals who bake a lot, since it's smaller and lighter, which helps prevent fatigue even after long usage. The second-hand mixer in our list is the Cuisinart HM90S Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. It's time to step up your baking game with the 3.9 by 8.4 by 8.9 inch Cuisinart HM90S Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. This powerful kitchen gadget packs a punch with its 220-watt motor and 9-speed settings, so you can easily whip up everything from fluffy meringues to thick bread doughs. But the HM90S is more than just a workhorse. It's also designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. The smooth start feature ensures you won't have to deal with messy splatters when you first turn it on, while the swivel cord lets you use it comfortably with either hand. With the range of attachments and the included storage compartment, you'll have everything you need to tackle any baking project that comes your way. Overall, not only is the Cuisinart HM90S powerful and practical, but it's also sleek and stylish. Its brushed chrome finish looks great in any kitchen, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. So why settle for a mediocre hand mixer when you can have the best? Keep in mind though that the mixer can be quite heavy and bulky at 4 pounds, which may make it uncomfortable for some users to hold it for extended periods. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who have a thing for retro designs, since this hand mixer features a vintage look. The best hand mixer in our list is the Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Looking to whip up some delicious treats in the kitchen? Look no further than the Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. This 3.5 by 8.5 by 10.2 inch kitchen gadget will quickly become your go-to tool for baking. With its unique rubberized scraper beaters that wipe the bowl as you mix, you'll never have to stop and scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl again. Best of all, no more clanging or clanging in your kitchen. Upon testing, our team specially liked the 9-speed settings, which allows the user to adjust the speed to get the perfect consistency for the batter or dough. Do take note, however, that this gadget isn't just efficient, it's also designed with your comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip and control, even during extended mixing sessions. And with a detachable storage compartment for the beaters and power cord, you can easily store it away when not in use. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's efficient, easy to use, and will always help you achieve perfect results. On the flip side, some users share that the silicone on the beaters will eventually break off, which may leave chunks in whatever you're mixing. So we recommend you peel it off once it starts to come off. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people with a big budget because its amazing features and design surely come at a premium price. And there you have it, folks, our best hand mixers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next hand mixer roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchen great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.